Hello student, very most important topic, that is isomerism. What is isomerism? Iso means same, mers means repeated. What is the definition of isomerism? The existence of two or more compounds are having same molecular formula but different structures. That is known as called isomerism. The existence of two or more compounds having same molecular formula but different structures are known as isomerism. These are classified into two types, that is structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Generally they are classified into two types, that is structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. What is structural isomerism? Structural isomerism again classified into two types, that is structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. This structural isomerism again classified into chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism. Again, these structural isomers again classified into chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism, and metamerism, and tautomerism, and ring chain isomerism. These all are belongs to structural isomerism. Structural isomerism, again students, structural isomers are chain isomerism, positional, functional, metamerism, tautomerism, and ring chain isomers are, these all are belongs to chain isomers. These all are belongs to structural isomers. Sorry, these all isomers are belongs to structural isomers. And another one is the stereoisomers. These stereoisomers again classified into two types, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism and another one is the optical isomer. These are the very most important for NEET and JEE and other competitive exam also. Now first one is we are discussing about the first one is, what is chain isomerism? What is chain isomerism? In case of chain isomerism, compound having same molecular formula but different structures, and that is the mother name should be different. What is the chain isomerism? In case of chain isomerism, compound having same molecular formula but different structure. That means structures are different but mother name should be different. Now take the example C4H10. An example, that C4H10, here total number of carbon, here 4 carbons are there. C4H10, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This name is called N-butane. Normal butane. So here now total number of carbon, here 4 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total hydrogens 10. So 3 plus 2 5, 2 7 plus 3 10. Total all are equal. So C4, this molecular formula C4H10. This is the structure N-butane, and another structure is the CH3 CH single bond CH3 CH3. This name is called 1 2 3, that is 2 methyl propane, that is 2 methyl propane. So these both are belongs to chain isomerism. Why? Because of this molecular formula will be same, but structures are different. Molecular formula same, C4H10, and structures are different. Why? Because this is N-butane and 2-methyl propane. Structures are different. This is the parent chain. This is also parent chain. This parent chain is called N-butane. This parent chain is called propane. So here this mother name is called N-butane, but here mother name is called propane, that is 2-methyl propane. So here these both are belongs to chain isomerism. In chain isomerism, mother name should be different, compulsory, that is mother name should be different. In first compound 1, this first compound, second compound, in first compound 1 mother name is N-butane, in second compound mother name is propane. So this mother name should be different. This is the child. CH3 is called child. This is child compound. Simple example, that child compound. This is the mother name should be different. So these both structures molecular formula will be same. This is called chain isomerism. In chain isomerism, first concept, very most important concept is mother name should be different. That is compulsory. This molecular formula will be same. C4H10 molecular formula will be here also same, but here mother names are different. This is N-butane, this is the propane. So these mother names are different. So that's why these are belongs to chain isomerism. Now take the another example, students. Now take the another example in C5. In example, one more example, C5H12. in C5H12, in C5H12, how many structures are possible? How many structures? There is C5H12, here 5 carbons are there, that is CH3, CH2, 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 then CH3. Here 5 carbons are there, 1 2 3 4 5, hydrogens 12, 3 2 5 2 7 3 9 2 9 plus 3 12. So here 12 hydrogen, everything is balanced. C5H12, this name is called N-pentane, normal pentane, N-pentane. And another structure is the CH3, CH3, CH2, then CH3. This name is called 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl butane. But here also same thing, carbons all are equal carbons, C5H12, molecular formula will be same, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 carbons, and hydrogen also same, 3 plus 3 1 4 2 6 3 9 plus 3 12, hydrogen also balanced. This name is called 2-methyl butane. And another structure also possible, that is CH3, 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 then CH3. Here also 5 carbons, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 carbons, and hydrogens 12. So this molecule, these structures 1 2, here 3 structures are there. The C5H12 having 3 structures, that is first structure, second structure, third structure, all structures having same molecular formula. These three structures are having same molecular formula but different structures, and these mother names also different. This name is called, what is the IUPAC name? That is 2, 2 dimethyl 2, 2 dimethyl propane, 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Here these three are belongs to chain isomer. These three structures are belongs to chain isomers. Why? Because of these three structures, mother names are different. In first structure is mother name is N-pentane, normal pentane. In second structure, mother name is called 2-methyl butane, mother name is butane. In third structure, mother name is called propane. These three mother names are different. These three mother names are different. That's why it is called chain isomerism. In chain isomerism, the first point is, that is the first simple trick is, the mother name should be different. That is compulsory. So in the molecular formula will be same, C5H12 molecular formula will be same, but 3 different mother names are there. First one is N-pentane, and second one is 2-methyl butane, and third one is 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Pentane, butane, propane, these 3 structures means that 3 mother name, this parent name, that is pentane, butane, propane, these are the parent names, or mother names are different. So that's why it is called chain isomerism. This is the very most important, students. How to identify chain isomers? Simple trick. First, to identify the parent name, that parent name should be different, mother name should be different, that is the pentane, butane, propane. This is the example of C5H12. Now take the another example. So many examples are there. So these are the very most important of the chain isomer example, student. If you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you.